Keep your uPVC windows in top shape with these 10 simple maintenance steps. From Axiom Eco Homes. Number 10. Clean glass with non-abrasive products, like a vinegar solution to keep your windows clear and scratch-free. Number 9. Wipe down sills after heavy rain to prevent water stains and mould buildup. Number 8. Repair minor cracks with filler costing £5 to £10 to stop drafts and further damage. Number 7. Adjust sash alignment using an Allen key to keep windows opening smoothly and sealing tightly. Number 6. Check and replace trickle vents annually to control condensation and improve airflow. Number 5. Tighten loose handles and hinges with a screwdriver to prevent sticking and improve security. Number 4. Inspect and replace weatherstripping every 2 to 3 years for £10 to £30 to stop drafts. Number 3. Unblock drainage channels twice a year to stop water building up and causing damage. Number 2. Lubricate hinges and locks once a year with a £5 silicone spray to prevent stiffness. Number 1. Clean frames and seals twice a year with warm soapy water to prevent seal failure and improve energy efficiency. For more home maintenance guides, visit Axiom Eco Homes.